All right, so you have the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it gets good battery life, but as you know, most devices will eventually run out of battery. So let's just say you're going to an amusement park, or you're not going to be near a charger for a really long time, or you don't have an external battery, and you want to consume less battery, and you want to save your battery life, and you don't really need your phone to do all that much except maybe check your emails, check some messages, and take some photos, and that's really it. Well, I'm going to show you a bunch of battery tips and tricks for that. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you can do is turn off 5G. Now, some carriers like AT&T do not allow you to turn off 5G, but depending upon where you live, you can turn off 5G. In order to do that, swipe down from the top, hit the gear in the top right, go into connections, and then go down until you see your mobile networks. And then you're going to see network mode. Tap that, and you would choose LTE, 3G, 2G, and that will allow you to consume way less battery life. 5G uses a lot of battery, and this will use a lot less, which is always really, really nice in order to save your battery, especially if you don't need like super fast data. And LTE, let's be fair, is still really, really fast. Go back to the main screen of settings and go into display. Change this to dark mode. Dark mode is going to allow you to get much better, maybe not much better, but better battery life. OLED displays do better with dark screens, so change it to dark. The next you want to do here is you want to turn on to motion smoothness, change that to standard, hit apply. The next thing you want to do is go down until you see screen resolution, change that to full HD plus. You could even do HD plus if you really didn't matter. Whichever one you choose, you're going to get the least amount of battery life usage. So really HD plus or full HD plus if you really need a little bit more extra resolution, but otherwise choose HD plus, hit apply, and your screen might not look as good, but again, you're going to get way better battery life. Back under the main settings menu at the top, hit the search button and hit and search for light. You should see under device care, light performance file. If you choose light, you're going to prioritize battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. Once you choose that, just hit the back button and you're good to go with, again, your phone will perform not as great, but you'll get better battery life. Back under settings again, go down until you see your lock screen and always on display. Go down to always on display, turn that off. That's going to save you battery life. And at this point, you could pretty much call it a day. There's always things that you could turn down brightness to barely anything if you can see your screen, but I don't recommend that because I can barely see my screen, and I don't know exactly who you are in terms of how well you can see a dark screen. But beyond that, you could call it a day, or you could go into some battery savings mode. So let's show you that one. Now you can find battery savings mode by swiping down from the top, looking at your quick toggles, and there should be one called power saving. So what you want to do is press and hold on that. And if you turn that on, it does the following right below. It turns off your always on display, which we already did, but whatever. It limits your CPU speed to 70%. We haven't done that, so it will lower that. And then it also will decrease brightness by 10%, which again helps you out. And you can always limit apps and on the home screen as well if you wanted to, which it doesn't do it on this mode, but it will if you have it off. But regardless, if you turn on power saving mode, that you could really just do that and not really do anything else if you didn't want to. But by doing the other things as well and doing power saving mode, you will save a lot of battery life. Now, it comes at the hurting of performance, of getting notifications or notifications that might be important to you. You might not get those until you turn all that stuff off. Things like not being able to see your screen is good. Things that you might find ruins the usage of the phone. But when you're done at the amusement park or wherever you are, turn all this stuff back off and use your phone. So those are some things that I hope helped you with getting better battery life with your S24 Ultra. These aren't things that I would do all the time. These are things that I would do sometimes. I don't like handicapping the phone. I like the phone to be at its best. That's why I don't usually do these videos and say like, oh, turn this off and this off and this off. Then if you're going to do that, just buy a cheaper phone that doesn't do most of the stuff this phone does. This is really for emergency battery usage only. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.